Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will just review a Shopify store and try to figure it out and try to point out what the shop is doing good and what it is doing wrong and how they can improve their overall layout for their store for better conversion. First of all, let me clarify the store is does not belong to me or it does not submit it to me to review, but I just found a random website in the web just to review it. And as I made Shopify store for my clients, so I know a few fundamentals to build Shopify store, and I'll just try to share them with you. If you think it is something you can get benefited from, you can watch this. And if the owner of the website is seeing the video, I just like to say I'm not just trying to uh, talking about your problems or trying to offend you, but it is something that my personal opinion, and if you think somehow it reflects on your need, then you can implement them on your store. So let's get started with the reviews. So this is the website just I will review. So this is a one product store. If I go through this website, you will get it very easily. You will understand it that this is a one product store. So the thing here is, first of all, the issue here is, if you see, this is the how logo looks in first place, but this how it looks when you scroll down. So I think the logo color is not matching for you with this background. So this how you use two logo, but on the other hand, you can make the same logo with a white color. So it matched with this background image. Okay, so these things could be improved. And another thing here is, if this is a one product store, right? So if we see this layout, this looks quite good, and this how the products is also described pretty well. But if we are using one product store, then making it just for a single home page is enough. What I mean by that is, there is a home page, and when someone click those buy now button, he will redirect to the product page, right? So in product page there is few more information with the reviews, okay, and again with the information of the product. Instead of this, if you could make a website that is only based on one product and the homepage is only enough to make it. So also the copywriting could be much better. So let me show you one layout example for a dog niche, or could be any niche, which has done a pretty well job. So this is the website of Grip Harness. So if you see this website is only one page website, okay. And if you see this website, it looks pretty much branded website. So in this website, the website does not look to be a well branded. In the case of what you can call the typography, the color page, as I showed you, the logo, when we are scrolling, it is showing another color, this color, and those buttons is also not matching. So there is a brand issue going on. If you see the top bar, it is looking another color, but if you see their website, they are mostly use this orange color, and you can see they are using it multiple times and across all the website. And if you see this layout, they have the product title, then some description about the product, showing some reviews, getting some bullets points, and there is a straight away a call to action button. And if someone click this call to action button, he is redirecting to the product area. But if you overall look at this layout, this is well structured, and then they have a video of explaining why this product is needed for a dog, and that took, and look at this headline as well, make walking your dog so much easier. So they are not talking about feature, they are talking about the benefit of the product, which what the product will give your dog, your most favorite dogs, and how this will benefit you as a owner of the dog. So if I, though I am not a copywriter, but if you read all of it, it really makes sense how they lay out the structure, and then they are showing how much color it is available. And if I see this website, they have a two colors for this product, but this layout is look very general, very common, But instead of this, if you are really think it is a winning product, you should go for a layout like this. And this can easily done by using page builder app like Pagefly, like Shogun or Gem Pages. And you will find a video of how I create those landing pages, dedicated landing pages, in my uh, YouTube channel as well. You can check this out and make your own landing pages. I will put the link in the description as well. So if you look at this, there is gifts as well. So there is a bullet points, few points, and then again call to action button. And if you overall look at this website, it is really well layout. The layout is really looking good, and the copywriting, image choosing, the overall structure is really looking good for a high conversion for a one product store. And then they have a comparison table as well. And if you check those, they have made a separate images, one for desktop and one for laptop. They have done a pretty well job. And if you are serious about doing the business, you should consider them. If you not able to do it yourself, you can hire a graphic designer, and for the layout design you could hire a web designer who can do this job for you. So overall, if I look at this website, this does not branded pretty well. As I said, the conflict, and if you see this option, this is actually not required. And if you are going for an one single product, then making a dedicated one page is enough. And in footer, you can just put those others links as well. So this overall layout for this one product store could be much more improved and could be much more branded, like the example store I showed. And also another issue with this is when someone click the shop now button, it is redirected to the collection page, but it should be redirect to the product page directly. Okay, then there is zero reviews showing, but in that case it is showing 16 reviews. So here is another conflict as well. And also if you see this text is not looking properly aligned. There could be some check mark like we are seeing here. If you see this website, they have a check mark. When they are showing any bullet points like this, there could be a green check mark which would look much better than this, like this check mark they are using. So this website layout or copywriting has not been done perfectly, which can harm their conversion. Okay, then again you can see there is a zero reviews is showing, but if you see the website, it has few reviews imported with looks, but it is not showing properly. And those button is good. And they have also added the privacy policy as well. And they can do pretty much very good jobs. They can re-edit the pages and should do much better job than this. And also if you see these colors, these are not matching with any other color of the website. So there is some color issue, some branding issue along with the website. So I think when someone is targeting just one product, they should make a layout something closer to this. And as I said, this could be easily made with Pagefly or any other page builder app. You can make those custom layout without using any theme. And if you click any of those call to action button, as you see, it is redirecting people to this product section. So this example is a good example for a one product branded store. If you are looking for something similar, you can check this grip harness website, gripharness.com, for your inspiration for the layout purpose and how they are making this layout. So this is overall review and overall suggestion for this store. So as I said, this is something that is my personal opinion. If someone think it is benefiting, they can implement those in their store, and it will be very much helpful. So you should avoid those mistakes in terms of when you are opening a store, when you're trying to sell a product, you should do the branding itself. So I hope if anyone is watching the video, it helps you. Let me know in the comment and do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you want to review your store, you can send it in my email. I'll try to check your store and give some insights about your store. Thank you very much.